If you also struggle with stencil making for portraits and want a clean, accurate stencil with proper shadows, this video is exactly for you. In this video, you'll learn how to get the best use out of a thermal printer. I'm using the Patio Tattoo Stencil Printer by Wormhole Tattoo, and with the settings I'll show you on your phone, you'll be able to prepare your portrait photos correctly and easily create a professional portrait stencil with all the shadows. Pay close attention and watch carefully. Imagine you have a portrait photo you want to turn into a stencil, whether it's from Pinterest or sent by a client. I previously downloaded a portrait of Mr. Beast from Pinterest as an example. The first thing you need to do is make the image high quality and clear so it has no blur or fuzziness. For this, we use the AI Photo Enhancer app, which sharpens the photo and restores all the details, removing any blur or fuzziness.
The AI Photo Enhancer app is an AI-powered tool for improving photo quality. It can sharpen blurry or low-detail images, enhance facial features and details, and remove any blur or noise. Of course, there are other apps that can do similar work, but I personally use AI Photo Enhancer because it's simple, fast, and delivers great results, making it one of the best tools for preparing portrait photos before creating a stencil.
After that, I use the InShot app to start removing the background. After enhancing the photo, this step is very important because it helps us get a clean stencil without any extra spots or distractions. First, we crop the image to select the size and the specific area we want to keep. Then we choose the Remove Background option, carefully check the edges to make sure nothing important is lost, and replace it with a white background. After that, the image becomes perfectly ready for the next step, where we prepare it for the thermal printer and adjust all the details for a precise stencil.
After that, we use the Sketch Photo app to convert the image into a clean, stencil-style design. This step helps us create clear lines and simplified shadows that are perfect for portrait stencils. And now we move on to the printer's own app called Tattoo Go. We import the image we created in Sketch Photo into Tattoo Go, and this app automatically optimizes the image again to give you the best possible stencil result for printing. If you feel the sketch you created in Sketch Photo doesn't look good enough, you can even convert the original photo into a sketch directly inside Tattoo Go. The app offers two main options, Default and Photo Realistic. Just use whichever one looks clearer and sharper for you, and then print it. Next, I'll show you the test I did using the Wormhole Tattoo Printer. In this test, I worked directly with the original image and let the printer's software convert it into a sketch on its own. I tested both the default and photorealistic modes, and I tried the density settings, medium and dark, so you can clearly see all the differences. And as you've seen in all my portrait tattoo tutorials, this is the same printer I always use. And I highly recommend it if you're into realism and portrait tattoos and want to improve your work in this style. Make sure to watch my realism and portrait tattoo tutorials because I explain all the techniques step by step and in detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, wish you success.